Good morning, everybody. I'm Kaylee.
And this your boy Rocko.
And we are duoUwander.
You already know, player.
This week on duoUwander, we're taking you on a jet ski coastline tour here in Brasilito.
Yes, sir.
Then we're taking you to one of the most pristine, beautiful beaches in this area, Puerto Viejo.
I said it once, I'll say it again. What other Costa Rican travel vlog you know doing it like this, man? Let's go. All right, man, as you can see, Kaylee back there negotiating the price for these jet skis. Hey, man, when you go out on vacation, Costa Rica, Belize, Brazil, anywhere, it don't matter. Don't let them cheat you, man. Negotiate them prices. Let's go check it out.
All right, so we just got here. We're about to rent some jet skis. They cost $65 for 30 minutes. ¿Cuánto cuesta para una hora? And then for a whole hour, it is $100. We're here on Playa Brasilito. Hopefully we're gonna get to go see some other beaches like Playa Prieta, Playa Pinca, Playa Conchal. So let's go.
Let us get it for 60, hermano. 60.
You first. Okay, we just hopped off the first jet ski and we were really having trouble controlling the steering on it. I think they're gonna put us on this jet ski behind us and see if we have better luck with that one.
Look at him, he seems to be doing it just fine. He like, y'all tripping.
I don't know.
Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kaylee Poo said, fall back, Rocko. I got this. If you ain't got you a country girl from Tennessee, you better go get you one, cause I got mine. Now let's go head over to this big ass boat. Y'all check out the scene. Hey man, drop a comment and let us know if this is considered a yacht. Whatever it is, it's luxurious and beautiful, man. And now, you can see the entire coastline of Playa Conchal. Times like these makes all of this feel surreal sometime, man, I promise. But, enough talking. Y'all enjoy this ride.
Cuidado, cuidado.
Woo! That was so much fun. You have to come to Playa Brasilito. They're parked right in front of Patagonia. Come rent a jet ski, $65 for 30 minutes. Totally worth it.
All right, man, we just got done jet skiing for the first time in Costa Rica. And let me tell you one damn thing. If you used to jet skiing on like placid lakes and calm water, you got another damn thing coming out here on Brasilito. I was shook. I had to let Kaylee Poo take over. I was I was turning the damn wheel and shake, boy. That chopping water had me all throwed off. But once Caleb who took over, we was smashing.
Yeah, we were out there jumping waves, splashing water up on us. It was so much fun. We even got to show you a shot of Puerto Viejo from the water, which is where we're headed next.
Hey man, the perfect thing about living in Wacas is we are literally minutes from tons of beaches, and we finna take you to the most beautiful beach in our guesstimations in guanacaste, man. Puerto Viejo.
White sand, clear water. Let's go.
Let's go to Puerto Viejo, man. We are in Monte Palo right now. This is the way we choose to go to get to Puerto Viejo. It is kind of off the beaten path, but it is truly a hidden gem in guanacaste, man.
We've been running on this dirt road for a really long time, and now we're just pulling up to Puerto Viejo. Check it out.
Man, we just got here to Puerto Viejo. Y'all check out the ambiance. Hey man, they have it all here at Puerto Viejo. Little did we know, we could have rented jet skis right here. And we finna show y'all the water. It is like a damn swimming pool out here, man. Damn.
Yeah, I kind of wish we would have rented the jet skis here because the water is so placid compared to Brasilito, so it would have been a little bit easier to navigate the jet skis. But other than that, they have kayaks for rent, they have massages on the beach, and there's a new restaurant that wasn't here the last time that we came. They are actually serving people on the beach.
On the beach, dog. Hey, if y'all in the area, I know I say it all the time. If y'all are in the area, y'all better come check out Puerto Viejo. It's just a little 15 to 20 minute drive off the beaten path, and it is worth it, like my baby boo say. Hey man, I got fish nibbling at my feet. The water feels amazing. Y'all come check out Puerto Viejo.
I'm sure you can tell why this is one of our favorite beaches here in Guanacaste.
Bang. All right, man, we just hopped out of the water. The mangroves are providing ever so slightly amount of shade right now, so we didn't have to bring our umbrellas. Hey man, Puerto Viejo, bang.
Yep, after the jet skiing and then hanging out here at Puerto Viejo, it has been an amazing day. We We just finished hanging out here at Puerto Viejo. I think we're about to head home to Wacas and get some ice cream. I think that would be a perfect way to wrap up this weekend.
Let's go get some gelato.
We just made it back here to the city we live in, Wacas. It's been a long day jet skiing and beaching, so I think we're gonna cap the night off with a little bit of food and some ice cream.
Hey man, we finna try this new spot in Wacas called Los Gorditos, Shawarma and Grill. Hey man, it sound banging, it look banging. Let's go try it out.
Hey guys, what's up? Pura vida. Welcome to our place, our new shawarma place in Wacas in the Las Americas cruise. You can join our wonderful shawarma and place. Thank you guys. Have fun. Ciao.
Okay, they just brought us our food. Rock's chicken wrap is huge with the French fries, pita bread, and the salad comes with 10 different types of salad. This looks absolutely delicious. We just finished up eating at Los Gorditos, the shawarma grill. My salads were fantastic. How was your sandwich?
Hey man, I didn't know the damn sandwich was gonna be that damn big. I'm almost too full to enjoy ice cream, but I am.
Yeah, so we're gonna go in here to the heladeria, get a scoop of ice cream, and then wrap it up for the night. We just got our ice cream. I got the mango, pineapple, and basil ice cream. It is absolutely delicious.
Hey man, we appreciate y'all watching, and if y'all dug the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let us know what you want to see from us in the future, man. That's what we do here at Duo. You already know.
Also, if you would like to receive exclusive content and access to our merchandise, don't forget to hit up our Patreon page. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next week. Peace and